These air conditioners are made in Mexico by Nortec Global HVAC, and the units are only available through dealers in the USA. All of the units feature all aluminum microchannel coils that resist corrosion, but they use a wire grill with a plastic mesh screen to protect the condenser coil. That does not do very much to protect the coil fins from mechanical damage due to hail or debris from lawnmowers. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide central heating, and have installed filter dryers to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture. These air conditioners use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The P94RD models are basic units with a 13.4 Seer 2 efficiency, but they are relatively loud with a 73 decibel sound rating. The P7RE units are designed for slab mounting with horizontal air discharge and have a 14 Seer efficiency. The P7RF models are premium air conditioners with 2 stages of compressor operation and variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation. They have a 16 Seer efficiency rating and a compressor blanket for noise control, but they are still rather loud compared to some of the other brands. All of the units are backed by a very good warranty that includes unit replacement in case of compressor failure within 10 years of installation.